Hello everyone, you can see a lathe machine over here. So this is the tailstock part, and what I am pointing from the finger is called as bed, and over the bed these are slide bays or guide bays. You can see a vernier caliper, micrometer and a steel scale, and these are a spanner and other accessories which are being used on each and every lathe machine. So this is below here you can see a tray where the chips are collected, and below the tray there are legs which are mounted over the floor, and these are centers which I am showing from the finger, and you can see the chips of MS mild steel that can be identified with the color. It is bluish in color, and you can see the lead screw and rack, and this is the carriage which is used to impart the motion to tool. So it is used to provide the feed to cutting tool, and you can see a hand wheel, and this hand wheel is basically imparting motion to the cutting tool in longitudinal direction. And you can see the tool post and a large, since the workpiece is of large size, so steady rest is also used. It is mounted over the bed, and it is used to support the workpiece of the longer size so that the bending of this workpiece could be avoided. You can see how this is happening. You can see how this steady rest is mounted over the bed of lathe machine. So this is how it is mounted, and it can be opened and the workpiece can be taken out. So this is the chuck in which the workpiece is mounted, and it is supported over the tailstock, and in between steady rest is used so that the bending could be avoided. And this part is called as headstock. You people already know about it. I have already uploaded a lot of video regarding this lathe machine, and you can see the starter. Now you can see how the power transmission is taking place, and this is a motor. From motor the power is transmitted through belt drive to pulleys. Through belt and pulley drive power transmission is taking place, and the guard is also used so that any sort of accident could be avoided. So you can see how the power is transmission taking place from the motor through the belt drive, and through the belt drive it is transmitted to the spindle or the headstock. Spindle is a hollow shaft on which the chuck is mounted. This is the another lathe machine, and here it is tailstock, and this workpiece is mounted. This is the center, and here this kind of support is being provided. So since the workpiece is very heavy, so one need to use the crane or lift which is installed in the shop floor of the company or factory. You can see this is a support which is provided. This is just like a